Right now in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly why you need Forex and crypto signals and why exactly SignalPeak is the one you should be choosing. But do remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. So here we have it, guys. We are on SignalPeak.io. This is your guide to crypto trading success. Now what you can do is you can embark on a journey to unlock the potential of cryptocurrency trading with SignalPeak. They have over 100 premium Telegram channels, all for one lovely little price. I'm going to show you the price in a second, but the 100 premium Telegram channels, basically, if you've ever paid for a Telegram premium signals channel, then you know sometimes they can be quite hefty. Whereas with this, you will pay a price and you will get every single thing available for these. That's over 100 different crypto and Forex trading Telegram signals. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in. I'm going to show you exactly what I've got, show you what you see in there. So you'll see a couple of signals. If they're still running, hop on, jump on and get them yourself. I'm also going to jump into TradingView and show you how to mark these up as well. But what we can see is there are some big names in SignalPeak as well. You've got Alex Friedman, Binance Killers, The Bull, Master of Binance, etc. All of these signals are available to execute and trade seamlessly on these different platforms. You've got Bybit, Binance, Crypto. They're all the biggest crypto coins. And here it is, your lovely prices. Okay, so you've got your free trial for 1 day. That's every single thing available for 1 day. Link is down in the description. You can do the 1 month option of $99. However, the lifetime option of $350 is honestly the one that I will recommend to everyone. You pay once, you get any updates, you get any added features, and it's literally like it says, for life. $350 and you get everything for life. Some of the premium features are 100 premium Telegram channels, intraday scripts, standard swing trades, mega signals, precise technical, fundamental and sentimental analysis, risk management guides. They have an over 92% accuracy, 24/7 support, and largest learning material library for trading in the world. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, how to sign up, and go through everything like that. So let me jump in and show you exactly what it looks like in Telegram. Okay, so these are only a few of the ones that I've selected and I'm following. You can see that there are multiple different publications. If I look at Pumps Detector, this is obviously one that's giving you that information of where exactly some of the money and the volume increased by 1.42 million. That's on Pond/USDT on Binance. You can see that huge drive up there. This is on the 15-minute time frame. And then if we go into some of the others, you can also see like Profit With Us. He's doing obviously great on the gold. This is his one of his little signals. It's pushing down. He's done a few little sells, but he tells you exactly how to do them, and you can see that he's winning. How much was he up? Nearly $1,000 on that one. And then we've got Binance Killers, which are doing obviously extremely well. Again, you can see 103% profit there, 50% profit. But what I want to do is go into this one. This is exactly what he produced. This is TradingView as well. But what I'm going to do is head into TradingView and show you, once we get this signal at 9:30 a.m. on August the 14th, what do we do, how do we do it, and how do we mark it up. Right, today's sponsor is SMM Go. That's smmgo.io. Link is in the description. It's the ultimate SMM panel for growing your online presence. Now, with over 4,000 services across Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and even LinkedIn, they've got real results at unbeatable prices. Now, we're talking lightning fast delivery, 24/7 orders, and prices starting at just less than a cent. Okay, so it's simple, scalable, and trusted by thousands worldwide. So if you want social growth that actually sticks, check out that link in the description, and let's jump back in. So here we are on TradingView. I've got Sol/Tether US. This is on Binance. And then what I'm going to do is just go back to 9:30. So this is a bar replay feature. So this is exactly when we would have got that notification of the sell opportunity. So if I head back in, we can see that a short is available. That's what he's telling us to do. And entry would be 20438. So if I head on back, 20438. So you can either draw a line on 20438. So there, for example, we can either do that. But what I like to do is head on into this section, the projection section, and then go for the short position. Why do we do that? It's nice and simple, because it gives you this bar. Okay, then you can head on in and say 20, then we can go back 20438, click on this 204, and then what we want is the profit. So you can pick any of the profit margins. So he's giving you 3 different targets: 200, 195, 185, 175, 16471. Normally I go for the middle one, 185. So if there's 6, I'll go for the third one. Sometimes I will put them all up, or just sometimes what I'll do is I'll put the middle one or the last one. So for this I'm going to put the last one in just to show you the massive difference. 16471. So that will be profit 164.71, and then you see that the bar goes down. Okay, and then we're going to do finally our stop loss, which is here. As you can see, all the information is put in there. All the information is given exactly what you need to do. Okay, so 21108. And there we have it. That is the section. Now, if I were to press play, we can then see this live as if we've entered the trade at 9:30, like it said. We would have been entered lovely there. Obviously, it is in a little bit of drawdown. However, bang, we've gone straight into profit. We are obviously still continuing to go, and as we keep monitoring this, we can see that the chart is moving always in that down trajectory. We can also see that we are following a lovely little trend line. So the mark, it gives you that factor that you are doing exactly what it's saying. Okay, so we are getting close up to the Friday now. Obviously, it's starting to consolidate here and pushing back up to this trend line. As you can see, it's a lovely little rejection off of there. Broke the trend line. That's awful. And then it's obviously just creating that new higher, lower low. It's creating that new lower high. And obviously some of these will take longer than others. This is the very, very final TP. But if we pause this and head back, we can see that there were multiple different take profits. Okay, these are the targets. So 200 was one, 195 was one. So if we look on the market, if you were a sort of person that will take your profits when you want them done, you could have taken a little bit of money out here, and then you would have taken a little bit more out here, and then there was 185 as well, and 175. Okay, so 185, the third take profit, which is normally my profit one I put in. So for example, if we would have stayed with my risk plan, that was a 2.87 to 1. What that means is if you're risking $1,000, you would have made $2,870, and that's just off of one signal. As you can see from multiple different channels in there, you get multiple different signals. Now if we scroll down to the bottom, I know obviously this one has hit take profit already. It's hit 1, 2 and 3, and then this signal, which is another one, is exactly the same. So that's hit the 1 and 2. Binance Killers is a very, very, very good group on there. Now, if this is something you're looking to do, you want to head on down in the description and click on the links. Okay, now once you're through today, you will be over to SignalPeak. You can see that they have a 1-day free trial. You also have the monthly option and then the lifetime plan as well. All you have to do is click on either one of these. If you want to do that 3-day trial, that's perfectly fine. Click on that, and then once you've filled in the details, you will be given access to all of the crypto groups. As you can see here, there's 2 pages worth, and then Forex is the same as well. But there you have it, guys. That is the insides of SignalPeak, why we should be taking them, how to take them, and exactly the profit you will receive with these signals. Now obviously we looked at a couple of groups and I dived into exactly how you can mark it up on TradingView yourselves. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.